Okay, so let's see how we can extract string characters. Let's specify the data frame, which is string 1, and let's see what's there at the 0th position. So it's the character H. Now if we further slice it, say from 0 to 3, we get the desired characters. And if we just doesn't specify anything, just the colon, then we get all the string characters. We can use the find method to find the index of the first match. So the syntax is your string.find, and in the find you can specify the substring that you want to find the index for. We can check if a substring is present in a string using the in keyword, and in this case we want to print some statement. So let's first check if the example is present in the string. So here we just want to print the statement. So example should be in double quotes here, as we started with the single quote, a present string. Let's see how we can concatenate two strings. So here let's specify the string 1, and with the help of plus operator let's concatenate it to string 2. So that's how you get the concatenated string. We can specify the space as well by the help of single quotes. We can calculate the length of a string by using the len function. If we check the length of this string, it is 29 characters. To have multi-line comment, we have to enclose that in 3 single quotes. You can use the single quote or the double quote. So here I'm specifying the multiple lines, and if we just print out this statement, we can see the desired result. In order to loop through a string, we can choose some kind of random variable, say x, and by making use of for and in keyword, we can iterate over the characters which are present in a string. So that's how you can access elements. You can have, instead of the string 1, you can actually specify the string in double quotes. So I'm specifying an example string here, and similarly you can iterate over the characters in a string.